We are trying to measure the characteristics of a microstrip Yagi antenna. We are using a microstrip dipole as the transmitting element, which is connected to the source and is mounted on a tripod with a horizontal polarization. The Yagi at the other end has been mounted on another tripod with a goniometer and is also kept in the horizontal polarization with the elements in the horizontal plane. Before we start taking the measurement, we need to start off with another dipole and kept in the horizontal polarization. If we keep the dipole in this manner, this is vertical polarization. The dipole pattern will be and this in this fashion it will be directional pattern with a figure of 8, and in this pattern it will be an omnidirectional pattern around its elevation pattern. We need to take the measurement of the dipole of the two dipoles and take the measurement and note down that reading. In case that reading is say about minus 60 dBm, and after we replace the test dipole at the receiver end with the Yagi, and if there is an increase in the reading which is say about 2 to 3 dB, then 2 to 3 dB is the gain of the Yagi over dipole. So 2 to 3 dB D is the gain of the Yagi antenna at that particular frequency. The frequency of the Yagi may have shifted. We need to find out by changing the frequency of the receiver and the sources and trying to measure the gain of the Yagi at different frequencies. We need to rotate the antenna in angular rotations of 5 degrees each and keep on pressing the stepper trigger, which will allow the receiver to record the reading when the receiver is in the auto mode. Now the receiver is in the auto mode, and every time we rotate the Yagi antenna, the receiver will record a reading, and after we have rotated the antenna by 72 readings, which will correspond to 360 degrees, we can take a plot in the PC and visualize the antenna. We need to, the Yagi antenna has got 3 elements, as you can see. In this case, the transmitting dipole is here and it has a microstrip balloon which provides 180 degree of phase shift. It has a smaller directive element in front of the Yagi antenna, and it has a bigger element as the reflector at the back of the antenna.